Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing this deep cycle lead acid battery with a lithium battery. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be upgrading my lead acid battery on my travel trailer to a lithium battery. There's several benefits to lithium batteries from what I've read. Number one is your amp hours. My lead acid battery has like 700 and some cranking amps, but the amp hours is only like a maximum of like 64 or something like that. The lithium battery I got has about 100 amp hours, so that's almost double. The second benefit is a lithium battery weighs about half of what a normal battery weighs. The third benefit is that lithium batteries can be discharged all the way down to basically zero. A lead acid battery, it's kind of hard to understand and explain. Once it gets to 50%, it's dead. It's not going to give you any power. And we just recently put an inverter on this camper trailer, so we're going to be hoping to boondock and as well as run the refrigerator as we're going down the road off of AC power converted from the battery. So we're going to need a very robust battery. So I've basically doubled my amp hours by going with a lithium battery and still only going to be dealing with one battery. So today I'm going to be swapping that out. I believe I'm going to have to switch the battery box as well because the lithium battery is slightly bigger than the lead acid battery and I don't think it's going to fit. This is the battery I'm replacing. This battery is a lot lighter. I could not do that with that one, but it's just a little bit wider and a little bit taller. So that's why I have to go with that new box. Yeah. Not gonna fit. This box just has some screws in the bottom of it that's holding it on to the angle iron, so I'm just gonna back those out. I recently put a battery disconnect switch on this, so I'm gonna also have to remove that. And make sure it fits. This comes with a bolt with a lock washer and a flat washer on it, and I got three things I need to hook to this, and these won't come off, so I'm gonna have to probably either grind them off or somehow remove them so that I can have more distance. Grab a hold of that flat washer, see if I can back it out. It's got some Loctite, it looks like, on the threads, and so I think that makes it not want to come off. It's literally ruining threads. I'm sure this is probably a stainless steel screw, so you don't want to ruin it like I did. Yeah, I'm literally gonna have to grind this off and then clean up my threads with a die or something, or get a whole different screw. Well, I've determined that the threads on this screw is probably metric, and I don't have a metric die to clean them up, so I'm just gonna go try it and see if it'll grab without screwing up the threads in the battery. They don't look too bad, they're just a little bit rounded over, but that's what we're gonna have to try right now. Seemed to work okay. These wires lead to a light on the steps that I don't think I'm going to hook up, and these lead to this plug that allows you to plug into the battery and light up your trailer lights when you're stopped and you're not hooked up to the truck. Nice, very nice fit. And it comes with a strap for holding this lid shut. So it goes through. And then it locks. There we go. And then this just holds the flap. There we go. Fancy. Everything's hooked up. We should be ready to turn on the switch here and try it out. We'll make sure our power's unplugged before we try everything out. One thing they say about these lithium batteries is that your electronic battery readout may not read correctly. So we'll test that out here in a minute. Just wanted to let you know that before I forgot. All right, gonna turn this on, see what happens. We got power, that's good. Let's see what the battery reads. It shows full, but we're gonna go ahead and see what the inverter says. I shut all the breakers off, so let's see what it's pulling right now. 25 watts. I'm gonna shut it back off, plug our extension in, and turn it back on. Showing 8 watts now, 13 point something volts. Okay, I don't have any breakers on right now, but the plug that I plugged that extension cord in should power this plug as well. I'm gonna double check. For those of you who watched the inverter installation video, these are the two breakers that I have to have on to run the fridge on the outside and the fridge inside. So this connects that plug circuit to my camper, and then this connects the power coming in from this to the fridge on the outside, that circuit. And I can already tell that the lithium battery is holding up much better. Of course, when we leave on a trip, we're already gonna have our fridges cooled down, and so all this inverter will have to do and all the battery will have to do as we're going down the road will be maintaining that cold. So far, I'm really impressed with the lithium battery. Obviously, it's newer than my old battery, so that's probably part of it. But if you have any questions, if you wonder in the future how it might be doing, shoot me a comment. Hope you got something out of this video. Till next time, guys, good luck with all your projects.